Okay, so today I wanted to bring everybody's attention to the updated version of YouTube Lean Back, which is visible now on the new URL, which is youtube.com/TV. Now, what's very cool about this site, there are actually two things that I think are very cool, and you'll see these in just a second. First, let's actually visit the site. So youtube.com/TV will take you here. And what you're looking at now is essentially a very, very pretty version of YouTube. So imagine you're on YouTube going through the different categories and using just the keyboard. I'm not using a mouse at all here. I am looking through each category inside YouTube. And I think it's pretty cool looking. You can actually even, if you are logged in, view your own favorites, your own subscriptions, and even queue up videos to watch in order. So if someone has, for example, a wireless keyboard or something, then they're able to actually sit back on their sofa and watch YouTube videos to their heart's content without actually having to sit at a desk chair. But the very cool thing, in my opinion, about YouTube TV is something else that has to do with smartphones. So the first thing I'm going to do before I go into the smartphone section is enter presentation mode. Now in enter presentation mode, I'm in Google Chrome right now as my browser. I can go in and actually pair my smartphone to this page. And I'm going to do this by going to Login and Settings. You see here I have the option to sign in. I'm not going to sign in just yet because I'm going to show you how easy it is to just pair a device. So in order to pair a device, all I have to do is go here to pair device and hit return, and it gives me a URL and a code to enter on my smartphone. So now I'm going to go to my iPhone here and visit youtube.com/pair. And it's going to take me to a page where I can enter this information. And so I'm going to enter my pairing code. It's different each time, but you essentially just have to enter it once and then you're good to go. But if you unpair your device, then you will have to re-enter it. And now I'm going to name my screen. I'm going to name it Mac because I'm on my Mac. And as soon as I hit the button Add YouTube TV on my smartphone, you will see that immediately on my computer it says connected, iPhone. That's a good sign. That means that these two are connected. Now both of these computers obviously have to be on the internet in order to work because you need both computers, or both devices rather, to access YouTube. So now from my smartphone I will be able to, for example, go to the Browse section. I'm going to hit Browse. And now I can scroll up and down on my smartphone. Let's go and choose a clip here. I'm going to choose this clip. And now, as soon as I hit the play button on my smartphone, you will see immediately on my computer, I'm watching the clip. And while the clip is running on my computer in full screen, I can look at information about the clip on my smartphone. I can see the runtime. I can see that if I click the little triangle here on the right side, I can see the buttons that I can use to share, to like, to dislike, and also this plus button here is to add to. I can add a clip to my queue, and it will queue it up to play as soon as the current clip is finished playing. So, for example, say I want to watch another one of these clips here, I can click this one and hit the Add to Queue button, and now it's added to my Mac. And so as soon as the current clip finishes, then the clip that I just queued up will play right after that. Now what I can do is hit the Now Playing button, because this clip is now playing, and now I can go back to my controls. So I can hit the pause button, for example, and now I have paused this clip, and I can hit the play button and the clip starts playing again. And this is very, very low latency. This is nearly real time as far as the response from me hitting the play button or the pause button to it actually responding. So I think this is a very cool little add-on to YouTube Lean Back, or from now on, I guess, YouTube TV. I think this is something that people who have smartphones, who's just about everybody now, and also have a computer, will use quite often. Another cool function that I want to show you before I wrap this up, I just want to make this a quick review, is the search area. Obviously, search works the same as it would on a regular YouTube website. However, because I'm watching this on my smartphone, or because I'm controlling this on my smartphone, I can hit the microphone button here and actually do a voice search, which I thought was pretty cool as well. So, for example, let's see, I want to watch the Master movie trailer. The Master movie trailer. And it immediately recognizes it and enters it into the search window. And so I just have to hit done, search, and here we go. And so now I can go here, and instead of adding to my queue, I'm just going to hit the play button, and hitting the play button will interrupt whatever was already queued up and just jump straight to the video that I selected. And so we see right now that the Master movie trailer is playing just as I chose. And I can, again, hit pause, for example, and pause it and go and do other things here. I can go and choose other videos to watch on my smartphone without ever having to get off of my sofa and touch my computer. So anyway, I think this is a very cool add-on, like I said, to the YouTube Lean Back product, and I hope you like my review. If you have any questions or comments, please leave me a message in the notes, and I hope to talk with you soon. Thanks a lot. Click here to subscribe.